Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Venmo for business transactions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using Venmo for business transactions, download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign up for a new account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon, typically located in the upper left corner. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, look for the Venmo for Business option and tap on it. Follow the prompts to create a business profile. You will need to provide important business information, such as your business name and type. You may also be asked to verify your identity by providing additional documentation. After setting up your business profile, you can create a unique QR code. This QR code will allow customers to pay you directly through Venmo. To generate the QR code, go back to the main screen and tap on the profile icon. Select Venmo code to access and customize your QR code. Share this QR code with your customers in your physical location or on your website. When customers scan the code, they will be directed to pay you through Venmo. Ensure that you communicate your Venmo username or the QR code clearly to your customers. Once you receive payments, track your transactions in the notifications section of the app. Venmo allows you to transfer the funds to your linked bank account easily. To do this, go to your balance and tap on Transfer to Bank. Additional features include the option to create invoices for larger transactions. Consider setting up a dedicated business account for better organization of finances. Regularly check your business settings to ensure everything is up to date. Using Venmo for business transactions can streamline your payment process and enhance customer convenience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.